How's it going? Steve Ladon from MarineMax Boston. We are on our 2021 Boston Whaler 350 Realm. This boat is available and on site, which is a rare thing these days. It's equipped with Abaco blue hull side paint. Also have the underside gel coat to match. Since this boat's made its debut in 2018, it's been one of our best-selling boats. The ability to, use it as an excellent day boat, but also spend the night. I'll touch on this as we move forward. Full berth, stand-up head, great for doing a weekend if you're gonna, bounce around the islands here. Many of our customers in the Northeast, Boston Harbor, P-Town, Martha's Vineyard, Nantucket, great for a weekend. Moving forward, the bow, excellent entertaining space, huge sun pad, great for the kids, really deep gunnels, nice and safe. This boat, debuted in 2018, unique features, kind of a blend between the Vantage and the Conquest. You've got gunnel to gunnel hardtop, big windshield, but the ability to enclose. And then the transition for this, second row seating, whether you're going to be entertaining with the tables and the transom seat flipped out, or you're underway, very comfortable double row seating. Table insert fills here as the helm chair can be swung for face-to-face dining. Full prep station, everything you need here for entertaining. It's rare, the boat's available, inventory is scarce, especially after the 2020 we had. So if you're interested in this boat or any of the other boats we have on the property here in MarineMax Bay Point, Quincy, please give me a call at 774-991-3880 for more information.